everyone, yesterday I posted a video about the Mavic 2 and the Bebop 2. I said it was unfair, and that is true, because they're totally different drones and different price range and different year of production, so the technology used in both of them are different. After reading the comments that were posted on the video, I decided to go out again today, use the controller, and do the same thing that I did in the other video. I tried to do it at the same time, so the sun would be in the same direction that it was in relation to me, and the same height. What I found was that putting the drone up at the same angle that I tried in the other video, it had similar results where when I took off, it didn't move with me. So, you know, I said fine, that may be an issue of me being contrasted in the background. I put the drone at different angles and it actually worked fine. There was still the dialog box saying that I had no GPS on my phone, whereas on the screen it showed GPS on both the device and the drone. So that's a bit confusing, but as everyone else said, use the controller. So I did, and it actually fixed the problem. It didn't wait for the GPS to register, it just went right through after clicking follow me. So indeed, the advice that came from the comments, the controller is better than using just the phone in follow me. I also tried putting the sun in front of it and behind it. It worked best when the sun was behind the drone, so there's no glare going into the camera, into the sensor, into the lens, affecting its ability to track you on those very tiny pixels that it has. And it worked well, it worked as it should afterwards, and I will have to swallow my words. And I said it was terrible. It is not terrible, it was just me and the use and the sort of setup, the specific scenario that I was in. I did find that when I did my run back, it followed me very well, followed me in the shadow, even with the sun directly into the drone. But when I stopped, the drone almost like came to a halt and touched the ground. It came really low, and I'll show the video right now. And that to me was a bit worrying, because if there were people around or if there was a kid there standing there, you know, it could come really low and sort of hit them. So I honestly don't know. I have no way of explaining why it does that. But the comments about the controller, thank you. I take my words back and I'm sorry. So until next time, fly safe and God bless. Alright, so when I hand launch, I flat palm it, so I can toss it like that. I don't grab it, because if you grab it, it's I don't know. No woman likes to be grabbed.